be walking you through the new initiative of Uttar Pradesh Power BI Club, a Microsoft Fabric user group. Myself, Naila, I lead this user group. So today we have an exciting updates for our community members. So let me first share the main website of ours, that is uppowerbayclub.com. Here, when you will open this website, you will find the scholarship hub in the menu. Click on that. After clicking on that, this page will open for VIT Day. So, as its name, Women in Data and AI, many will confuse it for exclusively to be for women, but it's not that. Applications are open to all members of the community, regardless of gender or background. Elite 1 year career ready community cohort has 300 Datacamp licenses, 100 VITD seats exclusive to women in technology, and 200 community seats. Through this initiative, we are trying to empower undergrads and early career professionals who want to build careers in data, AI, analytics, or data science or ML. And we are also inviting experts and professionals to join us as a mentor. And also, if they want to upskill there, we have the lessons ready. So you can apply here by clicking on the apply for the cohort. In this cohort, we have different things. We have 12-month free road camp mentorship focusing on data analytics, ML, tech, and AI. We also have structured career track designed for aspiring data industry leaders. So it's easy for you to fill this out. First is full name as per official records. Then we have primary email address, contact phone number, including country code. Don't forget this also. Are you a member of Uttar Pradesh Papi Club and following our socials? Then it's a must. You need to join us on Meetup and website, follow our LinkedIn page, and subscribe our YouTube. Then click on Yes to proceed. City, state, and country, fill that out, fill your LinkedIn profile, add your GitHub profile, project portfolio, etc. This is mandatory for technical evaluation. Then the current status, if you're a student, currently enrolled, working professional, recent graduate, unemployed, self-employed, freelancer or other. Name of the current college, university or organization employer. Highest level of education completed or currently pursuing. Years of relevant experience in data, analytics, and software development. If you are a student, answer no. Internships won't count for this. Then we have gender identity for demographic and VITD context, specifically for 100 seats. So we have female, male, non-binary. Which of the following technologies area you are most comfortable with? Then you have to fill your details, how much you know on a scale of 1 to 10, how strongly do you agree with the statement? I am committed to dedicating at least 5 hours per week consistently to this program for 12 months. We need your consistency. Full commitment. Then provide the link to one of your most complex, impactful data or technical projects. If none, then you need to explain the why. After that, we have critical thinking challenge. In these two challenges, there is no right answer. We are just checking out your unique approach and how proactively you can think of the ideas. Then select the statement that describes your primary motivation for applying to this 1 year transformation cohort. Then rate your proficiency across the following core areas. After that, we have which of the days of the week you are most available to dedicate time to the cohort activities. For example, we will be having live sessions, mentorship calls, study group sessions, etc. Then rank the following potential cohort resources based on how valuable they would be to your learning journey. We are trying to gather this information so that we can provide you the things that matters you the most. We have one-on-one mentorship sessions with industry experts, exclusive access to advanced based courses, tools, weekly live problem-solving workshops, peer collaboration study groups so that you all can study together. Then rate your expectation of this cohort on achieving a career outcome. Then you need to tell us like how much you are expecting from this cohort, like you will get the job placement or a promotion or a career transition or you will learn some skills. Then which of the program languages do you have working proficiency in? Fill that out. If selected, what is the biggest roadblock? So in this, we are basically asking if you were selected, so what will be the biggest hurdle in for you that will help us understand how we can help you out for this 12-month commitment. We need confirmed commitment, so just tell us if you think like you won't be able to get the time, then you need to mention that and how you are not getting that. So we need to find the mutual things out. Any remark, query, feedback, or admins? Then registration code, this is optional. If you have got it through some link, then you will definitely have the registration code, otherwise leave it blank. So this is just for the cohort part, 300 licenses. But the good news is that we have 1500 licenses. So we are distributing it without cohort as well. I will walk you through the Datacamp platform. Just let me explain this as well. We have Datacamp Donate Scholarship application. By filling this form out, you are claiming your free Datacamp scholarship access from Uttar Pradesh Bhavya Club. Name, primary email address, phone number, LinkedIn profile, organization, university, GitHub is optional. Why do you want this Datacamp scholarship? To us, like what you want to become, area of interest, so that we can assign you the right team. Then, are you the member of the Uttar Pradesh Barbie Club and following all socials? That's a must. You need to understand it's a 12-month commitment. That's 1 year. You need to adhere to code of conduct for user groups and acknowledge that if license will be revoked if you are it's like absent or the license is unused for more than 1.5 months. You cannot take and just leave it blank. I confirm that I'm currently following all of the Uttar Pradesh Barbie Club on socials. That's a must. I understand that the club requests are written, or the best way to support our mission is by spreading the word about this opportunity. Yes, definitely you need to share it among your peers so they can also apply. After that, we have Telegram group for all of you. After 100 members, we will hide members as soon as we can get access. And yes, we have disabled everything as of now. So regarding the maximum privacy, we have taken all of the required steps. Right now, this group is like all messages closed, no video call, no chat, nothing, and we will also make the anonymous members. So you can join here, or you can click please guide if you are facing the errors. And you can also contact us for queries at uttarpradesh.bhabyaclub@msftcommunity.com. So these are the two programs that we have. One is the cohort and one is like easy to get, but you need to commit your learnings daily. Now coming back to the Datacamp, I will show you this. We have progress. So in this you will see learn, the course that you have started, then practice, then applying those what you have learned, then the assignments that Uttar Pradesh Barbie Club admins have assigned, for example, introduction to SQL. Then if you are completing 100 XP points, you will get this task done. Then Power BI fundamentals. We have leaderboard, we have assignments, we have tracks, we have different courses here. You can see how many different courses we do have. Then we have practice, we have assessments, practices like applying what you have learned. Then we have assessments to skill setup. Then we have tutorials, we have real world projects as well. We have code alongs, in which the instructor will guide you through a vast selection of real world problems from start to finish. We have competitions. We also have certifications in this. The best premium part is this. You can get free certification for data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, AI engineer for data scientist, AI engineer for developers. We have SQL, W, Microsoft Power BI data analyst, 50% of Microsoft Azure fundamentals. We have exam Azure 204. We have Alteryx, AWS, Python, GitHub, and basic proficiency. All of these. You will also get the CP points for these courses. We also have Sandbox. So you can utilize these credits for free. We have Power BI, Tableau, AWS, Azure, Python with OpenAI, Python with Bedrock, Python with Anthropic. We also have Data Lab. Let me show you this as well. For example, we have this, and I just click on this new workbook so that I can create. In this, I can talk with AI, explore the data, no code, is connect SQL, Python, text, all sort of way. I can upload my files, I can connect new data source. Even if I don't have any data source in hand, I can use a simple data. I can run my files. Then we can have this environment variables. We can have Python host, we can host an app. We can also export our code, report, etc. We have portfolio ideas, templates, data sources. So you are getting everything for free. You just need to commit your learning for 1 year and you will be a data expert. So I hope this is clear to all of you. If you have questions, you can comment below or reach out to us via email ID. So thank you so much for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the team. We are always here to answer your queries.